Hello all and welcome to video series on C# 3.0 new features. We'll discuss about the next feature, that is object initializer. Now let us go to code first. Now here we have customer class with customer number and customer name properties. We have used auto implement properties. To understand auto implement properties, please watch my previous video on auto implement properties. The link is given in the description as well. We have another class to store details about the books like book ID, book name, author and price. Now let's create object of these classes. Now if you go to the main, here we have created object of customer class first. Then we have initialized the properties of customer class object. Customer number is 101 and customer name is John. Now here we have created object of second class, that is book, and we have initialized the properties as this. So you can see we have created the object, and on the next line we have initialized the properties. So far so good. Okay. Now when you create an object, the constructor is called, and constructor is used to initialize the values of an object. Now if you consider our book class will have private fields like ID, name, author and price. To initialize different values of an object, we have to write multiple constructors like this. A constructor to initialize ID, another constructor to initialize ID and name. We have third constructor to initialize name and author, another constructor to initialize ID, name and price, and so on. So you will end up in writing multiple constructors in this way. So to initialize an object with different values, we go for constructors. So in C# 3.0, a new feature has been introduced which enables you to initialize the properties of an object without using constructors, and this is called as object initializer. So let us try to implement the same thing here. Let us give a comment to this code. Let us create an object of custom class again. Now here default constructor is called, and I want to initialize properties of an object at the time of creation. So use curly brackets, and here you mention the name of your properties. So you can use one space. So we'll get the intelligence. So I will select number equal to 101, comma, space, name. So here you can initialize as many properties as you want. That's all. So you can see previously we have created the object and we have initialized properties on different lines. But if you look at this code, we have created the object and we have initialized the properties on the same line without using constructor. Let us try book object. So constructor is called and I want to initialize the properties. So curly brackets, space, intelligence is available. So let us go with the name, comma, author, and price. That's all. Now this feature is called as object initializer. Now in short, object initializer is a new way to initialize an object without explicitly calling constructor. It enables you to assign values to properties at the time of object creation without invoking a constructor. So you can use object initializer to avoid writing multiple constructors. So I hope this feature is clear. So thank you for watching this video, and please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video.